In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Docusign envelope limit. This quick tutorial will guide you through accessing your account and finding out just how many envelopes you have left. A handy piece of knowledge to ensure your document workflow remains uninterrupted. First, you'll want to head over to Docusign's homepage. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in the official Docusign website address. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find the login button. Give that a click. It's important to make sure you have your login credentials ready to go. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your username and password to access the system. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Docusign home page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not entirely comfortable with it yet. Now your next step is to navigate to the admin section. You'll find this option on the navigation bar. Clicking on admin takes you to the heart of your account management system. In the admin area, look for an option labeled plan and billing. This is where all the details about your subscription and usage are tucked away. Click on plan and billing to proceed. It's a little bit like getting your own behind the scenes tour of your account. Once you're in the plan and billing section, pay attention to the options presented to you. We are on the hunt for a link or button that says view usage details. Clicking on this will unveil all the specifics about your current envelope usage. Here you'll have access to information on how many envelopes you've already used versus how many you have remaining for your billing cycle. This is crucial because it helps you manage your envelope usage, ensuring that you're never caught off guard by unexpected limitations. If you're running low, it might be a good time to consider adjusting your plan to better suit your document needs. Remember, staying on top of your envelope usage within Docusign is essential for maintaining a smooth workflow. With this information, you can make informed decisions about managing your agreements and documents effectively. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to check your envelope limit on Docusign. I hope this guide was easy to follow and allowed you to navigate the process with confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and insights. Until next time, happy signing.